everyone, I'm going to show the results of my patient who did hair restoration FPV with me 2 years ago. So he's come back to me again, very happy with the results. And why he's come back again to do the second hair transplant? Because he's so happy with the first hair transplant, he's come back to get more hair over the area that I did not do for him. Patient is 38 years old now. Did hair restoration 2 years ago, and only at the hairline. So beautiful hairline created. That's really nice. 1,500 grafts at this area, and there was no 3 male pattern baldness. But however, doctor did not do at the mid-scalp area. So basically, it's come back now to do the area that I did not do. So remember, hair loss is a journey. Progressive hair loss takes place, and all my patients do come back for a second and third hair transplant because they do understand that hair loss is a progressive journey. So even though they've come to do first hair transplant, they come back to me the second hair transplant or third transplant to do with me because nowadays they understand the whole concept of the hair loss. Another patient who wants to do second hair restoration with me again. So I'd like to thank my patient who believing in me for his second hair restoration. Thank you.